Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat mac and cheese. First, ensure your mac and cheese is at a comfortable eating temperature, not too hot or cold. Next, select your preferred utensil, whether it's a fork for individual noodles or a spoon for scooping up cheesy goodness. Remember, the goal is maximum enjoyment, so take your time and savor each bite. Don't rush the experience. It's a comfort food meant to be relished. To craft the perfect bite, aim for a balanced mix of pasta and rich cheese sauce. Avoid overloading your utensil. A moderate amount allows for full flavor appreciation. Some prefer a smaller, more delicate bite, while others enjoy a larger, more satisfying mouthful. Consider the texture. A good bite offers both the chewiness of the pasta and the creaminess of the sauce. This balance is key to a truly delightful experience. Elevate your mac and cheese experience with thoughtful additions. A sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper can add a subtle kick, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce can introduce a vibrant heat. Consider pairing it with a crisp green salad to balance the richness, or a piece of crusty bread for dipping. A refreshing drink like iced tea or a light soda can also enhance your meal by cleansing your palate between bites. If you have any delicious mac and cheese left over, proper storage is crucial for future enjoyment. Transfer it to an airtight container within 2 hours of cooking to keep it fresh. Refrigerate it promptly, and it will typically remain good for 3 to 4 days. When reheating, do so gently on the stovetop with a splash of milk or in the microwave to restore its creamy consistency without drying it out. Enjoy your leftovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.